Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Flatpress CMS on Oracle Linux 8.5. Flatpress is an open source multilingual extensible blogging engine that doesn't require a DBMS to work on. All of its content is stored in text files. Additionally, it supports various plugins, widgets, and customizable themes. Flatpress is a lightweight, easy to set up blogging engine. Plain and simple, just PHP. No database is needed. First, I am going to check the Oracle Linux version. We are currently using Oracle Linux Server version 8.5. Now go to web browser. New tab. Enter the field Flatpress CMS. Click proceed to download. Now we are in official page of Flatpress. Right click, copy the link, close the tab. Using wget command, I am going to download the Flatpress CMS package. Now paste the copied link with the wget command. Long list of file. This is the downloaded package. Now I am going to unzip the file. Again long list of file. This is the extracted directory. Now I am going to move this directory to the Apache root directory. As I am also going to rename the file as Flatpress. Now I am going to grant permission for Flatpress CMS. Now I am going to set ownership for Flatpress CMS. Now I am going to create a virtual configuration so that we can access Flatpress CMS. Create a configuration file using vim command. Make insert the virtual configuration. Now write and quit. Now restart the Apache web service. Once restarted, go to web browser. New tab. Enter the IP address. This is the installer page of Flatpress CMS. Click next. Create user for Flatpress CMS. After entering the details, click Next. Once all done, to see the home page, click the link. This is the home page of Flatpress CMS. Now I am going to log in as admin. This is the administration area of Flatpress CMS. Now I am going to create a new entry. Subject as test. Enter the content. Click publish. This is the test site I have created. Click view. This is the test site I have created. With this, the installation of Flatpress CMS on Oracle Linux 8.5 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.